Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm in here just doing some editing and organizing some stuff, and this is a big portion of the mess. That is all line, that drawer's all reels, all my plastics and hard baits and stuff like that. But yeah, doing some editing and organizing, and came across some of my older videos that I'm pretty sure a lot of the newer subscribers haven't seen. So figured since the bite's slow, I'll just keep re-uploading some of my older videos and see how they turn out. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to cleaning this mess up. Enjoy the video. Well, good morning, YouTube. Ignore this glorious hair of mine. I literally just woke up. But this video here is one of my old ones that it wasn't anything like super special, but it was fun how it was done. It was just a budget video, and the surprise catch was pretty freaking awesome. So it just kind of proves that you don't have to spend a ton of money to catch some pretty good fish. Can you go fishing for $15 or less? Let's find out. You know, fishing can get kind of expensive, but it doesn't have to be. You know, us fishermen and fisherwomen, you know, we'll see all the new fancy gadgets, new rods, reels, lines, tackle bags, lures, stuff like that. And we're like, that right there is what I need. That's what I've been missing out on. That's the bait that's going to catch me more fish. The rod that I need. And then it just gets steeper and steeper and steeper in price. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. You know, you can fish very, very cheaply. And that is the point of this video, is $15 or less, and see if we can catch some fish. Now, I did kind of go over on budget a little bit by about $1.50, because apparently night crawlers went up some at where I get them from in the last week or so. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Night crawlers, $4.28. A pack of Ozark Trail split shots, 94 cents. Ozark Trail Aberdeen hooks, size 4. There's 15 of them there. Well, actually 14, because I already rigged one up. 98 cents. And what's going to be used the most in this video, if I can get it untangled, and I've been kind of on the fence about buying this, but I've seen Realistic Fishing using it a lot. But this is the new Ozark Trail medium light 5/6 6 to 10 pound line, 1/16 to 3/4 ounce 2-piece rod. Best part about it, pre-spooled with 8-pound test, and this whole setup $9.88. So yeah, I did go over budget just a little bit, but that goes to show for $20 or less, or around that $15 range, you can go fishing. You know, if you don't have your gear with you after you get off work or out of class or whatever, or you just don't want to spend a ton of money, this is the video for you. Let's get it rigged up, get the cameras on, and get to fishing. Alright, the rig that I'm using this afternoon, just a very basic split shot and hook rig on this very cheap monofilament that's pre-spooled with this. Everybody that's ever fished has used this rig at some point, if they ain't already, or something like that. Words are hard. I've been up since like 2:30 this morning. Don't judge me. Anyway, I've got 3 split shots on there so that I can get a little bit of distance. But there's quite a bit more water. It's come up a little bit more since the last time I was here, which is about a week ago. And fish seem to be jumping pretty close to the shore. So that's what we're going to do. Let's check the drag. I do not like that this drag is the non-clicking type when you adjust it. But it's not a bad setup, I guess. And that is not a lot of line on this reel. Anyway, let's see how many fish we can catch today. And we already got hit. Does it still have it? That was quick. And it was bending that rod over pretty good too. Wow, that sounds great. Well, it didn't get all the worm, but it got a good chunk of it. It would have been nice to know what that was. Don't y'all think? And we're getting hit already. Hadn't even got on the end of the rod holder yet. I may have something else here. Beast of a drum. Whoops, sorry about the belly flop. Let me tell you, the line that comes on these Ozark Trail combos sucks. First thing is they put too heavy of a line on here, and this line must be made of pure memory itself. You know what, heck with it, I'm putting a whole worm on just because I can. Even though a whole worm won't fit on that hook. Oh, we got one on. This rod's got a nice little bend to it. It's just, I prefer my rods to be no less than about 6 foot. And this is only like 6 or 8 pound. I think it's pre-spooled with 8 pounds, so taking my time with it. It's like my buddy, Chet Cat's Fishing here on YouTube, always says, patience over power. When you light tackle fishing for anything, this is not a real big catfish by any means. Yeah, it's a little channel cat, but it was fun on this little Ozark Trail setup here. The chunky dude too. Chunky female, or male, whatever. Come here. Alright, we got it. I'm gonna let out some line so that I can work with this fish. Wow, y'all probably can't see that, but that line is twisted up something awful. This line is terrible. Alright, not a bad looking channel cat. I believe that is a female, because male channels, when they're spawning, their heads swell up really, really big. And that one's just a chunky female, I believe. So I'm going to get back real quick. And there she goes. On to lay some eggs. Well, y'all, I set out to prove that you didn't have to spend, or don't have to spend a lot of money to just go sit on a bank somewhere and catch some fish. I spent $9.88 on this Ozark Trail Wayfarer medium light rod. It's 5'6" action, or 5'6" length, medium light power, 6 to 10 pound line rating, 1/16 to 3/4 ounce lure weight rating. I like it. Now, I probably won't use it very often, if any at all, anymore. But I do like the setup. The drag is, I mean, pretty smooth for a $9 setup. I don't like that it doesn't click when you adjust it. But it's got a really loud drag clicker. We only caught the bluegill, the small drum, and the catfish. But this handled that little eater-sized channel catfish very, very well. I am impressed with it. I've been watching Realistic Fishing use these on his channel for a minute. I'll try to leave a link in the description to his channel and some of his videos. But, like I said, $9.88 for a rod and reel combo. About $3-4 for a tub of worms, some split shots, and some hooks for about 94 cents a piece. And you can be on the bank catching fish. Hope you liked the video.